Good morning, students. I'm again here, myself Anil Kumar, and it is my fifth video of this chapter, area of trapezium and polygon. And this is chapter 18 in Agarwal, and this is chapter 11. Exercise 11.2 in NCERT. Okay, in previous class we have discussed about that how to find the area of trapezium if height is not given, and the area of section of the frame also. Okay. Now today we will discuss about the area of polygon. That what steps we will follow to find the area of polygon. Okay, and with some example also. So at first I am going to write the steps to follow to find the area of polygon. Okay. Now the point is to find the area of polygon. We will follow some steps. So to find the area of polygon, we will follow some steps. So the first point is draw few imaginary lines. To separate the figure into triangle and trapezium. Okay. Now in the next step, if name of the figure is not given, then name them. Now in third point, we will use area of right angle triangle formula and area of trapezium formula, and then at last we will add all the areas. Okay. So like this, that is, we will follow these 4 steps to find the area of polygon. Okay. Now let's solve one question to clear the concept. Okay. Now I am writing the question. Now here in this question, at first I am writing the figure. Figure is given like this. And downside okay. Now this one and okay, and the name of the figure is ABCDEF. ABCDEF, only EF, not G. Okay, and here it is G, then I, here H, here I, and here G. Okay. And we have to find, and it is written that BG, FH, CI and EJ are perpendicular to it. Means it is altitude. Okay. Now, and the value is given AG equal to 6 centimeter, AH equal to 10 centimeter, AI equal to 18 centimeter, okay. Then AJ equal to 21 centimeter. After that, AD equal to 27 centimeter, BG equal to 5 centimeter, CI equal to 6 centimeter, EJ equal to 4 centimeter, and FH equal to 6 centimeter. These are the. Now, here you can see in this figure that there are 1, 2, 3 and 4 triangle, right angle triangle and 2 trapezoid. Okay. And as we know that in fact to find the area of triangle we need base and altitude. Okay. And to find the area of trapezium we need parallel side and distance between them, that is height. Okay. So at first I am going to find the area of triangle and then we will find the area of trapezium. Okay. Let's solve it. Now the first triangle, this one I am going to find the area of, we can write in short AR dot. Okay. So area of triangle ABG is equal to 1 by 2 into base into that. So base will be what? AG and height will be BG. AG into B. Now find what will be the AG value. AG is given, just given 6. And what is the value of BG? BG is given. BG just 5 centimeter. Solve it. 2, 3 ja, that is 3, 5 ja, 15 centimeters. This is the value of area of triangle ABG. So find the value of area of AHF. Area of triangle AHF. Again 1 by 2 into base. What is base? AX again. And height FH. Then 1 by 2. What is the value of AH? Given or not? Yes, given. Okay. And what is the value of FH? Given. Yes, 6 centimeters. Solve it to 5. So 5, 6 are 30 centimeters. This we have found it. Now find this value. Area of triangle CI. Area of triangle CI. 1 by 2 into base ID. And height CL. Value of ID given. ID or DI you can see. ID or DI no. Then how can we find? But it is given. If you will subtract AD from AI, AD with AI, then you will get ID. And AD and AI value is given both. Okay. So we can write ID as AD minus total AD and minus AI. Minus AI. And into CI value is already given. Now put the value. If you will put the value, you will get what? 1 by 2. AD value is 27. AI value is given 18. Into CI value is given 6. So 2, 3 is 6. Now if you will subtract, you will get 9. So 9 into 3, 27 centimeters. Okay. That is we have already find these 3 triangles area. Now we have to find one more triangle area and the 2 area of trapezium. Okay. Now we will. Now after that, the last area of triangle is area of triangle EJD is equal to again base is JD, not ID, JD, and height is EJ. EJ value is given, okay, but JD value is not given. So again we will find JD by AD minus AJ. AD minus AJ. AD is also given and AJ is also given. So we can write JD as AD minus AJ and into EJ value is given 4 6. Put the value. AD is given 27 and AJ is given 21 and here 4. So 2 2 are 4. So 27 by 21 6 into 12. That is 12 centimeters. Now we have now this triangle area we have already found. Now after that we have to find the trapezium. Okay. Now area of this trapezium I am going to find. Area of trapezium BCIG. 1 by 2 into sum of parallel sides. Which one is parallel? These two are parallel because these two are perpendicular, means both perpendicular will straight means parallel. So we can write BG plus CA. BG plus CA and into height. Height is what? This one, no. This is slanting line. And this is slanting line. It means it is not the height. The height will be GI. Now 1 by 2, put the value. BG value is given. BG just 5. And CI just 6. GI given? No. GI value is not given. Then how can we find? AI minus AG. We can write GI as AI minus AG. Then it will be what? It will be 11. And value of AI is given. AI, yes, 18. And AG, yes, 6. Find it. 1 by 2 into 11 into 12. So you will get 66 centimeters square as the area of trapezium BCIG. Now the last one I am going to find. Now area of trapezium EFHG. Okay. Area of trapezium EFHG. Again 1 by 2 and sum of parallel sides. Parallel side will be HFH plus EHJ into height. Height will be HJ only. Now put the value. FH 6, EJ 4, HJ not given. Again not given. Then we can subtract AJ minus AH. AJ and AH both is given. Yes, both. So we can write AJ minus AH. Then it will be 1 by 2 into 10. And put the value of AJ. AJ value is given 21. And AH value is given 10. Divide into 5 here. Then 5 into 11. That is 55 centimeters. Now we have find all the value. Then we have to write, at last we will add all the value. So we can write, and since you can see that whole figure is a hexagon, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 line. So we can write area of hexagon A, B, C, D, E is equal to, now we will put the value, all the value we have to add. Okay. Then we will write the value of the first figure is 50 centimeters square. Then 30 centimeters square. After that 27 centimeters square. Then 12 centimeters square. And then area of trapezium 66 and 55. And if you will add this, you will get the value 205 centimeters. So like this we can find the area of regular polygon. Okay. So I hope that you all have understood. Let's first. Now, so let's solve one more question of area of polygon, but it is still different. Let's see. Now the question is given that there is a pentagonal shaped part. There is a pentagonal shaped part. Okay. There is a pentagonal shape. Now, as one figure is given already, for finding its area, Jyoti and Kavita divided it into two different groups. Divided it in two different groups. Now the figure is this one. Looking like a temple figure. And the name of the figure is A, B, C, D, and E. And these two sides of the park are same. Okay. And value is also given here to here 30 centimeter. And this one value is 15 centimeter. And this is also 15 centimeter. Okay. Now, Jyoti has decided to find this area by joining a line between just middle, okay, like this. It is the diagram of the Jyoti, okay, like this she will find. Okay, now we will see that it is the figure of Jyoti. At first we will find the figure of Jyoti. Now, if you will find the area of this, then you can see it is perpendicular and it is also perpendicular. So, these two are parallel distance and the height between them is this one. If you are not Cn. Okay. Now, if both it is in middle value, if both sides is equal, it means this line will divide these two. This side into two equal halves. Okay. Since AB equals to AE, then AN divides CD into two equal halves. Means we can say that CN is equal to NB is equal to CD by 2. Means 15 by 2 centimeters. Okay, we can say. Now, and both figure will same. If you will divide it with one equal half, then both figure will also same. Then you have to find the figure of 1 and you then multiply with 2. Okay. Now I am finding the figure of this one. So area of trapezium ABCN is equal to 1 by 2 the sum of parallel side AN plus BC and height is CN. Put the value AN plus AN is 30 centimeter, A to N, and BC will be 15 centimeter, and CN we have just found 15 by 2. Then it will be what? 1 by 2, 45 into 15 by 2. This one will be. So multiply it, you will get what? 450 into 50, so 675 by 4. Okay. It is the one part of it. It is the figure of one part. Then we have to multiply with the second. Then we will get the result. Now, so let's see. So area of figure, area of part we can see. Area of part will be 2 into area of trapezium ABCN. So 2 into 675 by 4. Then if you will divide, you get 2 3 ja, 2 3 ja, 2 7 ja, 2 5 ja. Means 337.50 centimeter square will be the area of this part formed by Jyoti. Okay. Now, if the Kavita finds this value, then the area of part will same or not, we will see. Now Kavita has decided to find the area of part by this way. This way. A, B, C, D, E. Okay. And these two sides are same. Now you can see, if this is 15 centimeter, this is also 15 centimeter, this is 15 centimeter, total 30 centimeter, okay, then it will be also 50 centimeter. Now, and this one is, and you can see if you will draw a perpendicular distance from this also, then it will a right angle triangle. And what will be the height if you write AN? Now we will find it. Or you can also find it by solving it by another method. That is, if it is 15, total 30 means it is 50. AN will be 50. So we can write case 2. In case 2, AN will be what? AN will be what? Total distance is 30. And if you subtract this one 15 centimeter, you will get 15 centimeter as AN. And base B is 15 centimeter. Now find the area of triangle AB. Area of triangle ABE. 1 by 2 into base into height. So 1 by 2. Now base is BE. So it will be 15. And height will be again 15. So it will be 225 by 2 centimeter. It is the area of triangle AB only. Now it is looking like square. All sides are equal. So we can use the formula of area of square. So area of BCD is equal to side into side. Means we can say that 15 into 15 means 225 centimeters. Now if you will add these two figures, then you will get the area of part. So it will be what? Area of part will be 225 by 2 plus 225. Means 225 plus 550 by 2. It will be 675 by 2. It means again 337.5. Means by both ways we can find the area and the area will. Okay. So like this we can find the area. Okay. So I hope that you all have understood. Okay dear. Thank you.